Welcome to Spanish Quiz Academy, our Essential Spanish Words edition. 100 questions, 7 seconds each. Let's go. Hello, starting with an absolute essential.
Hola.
Good morning. Nice and easy.
Buenos días.
Thank you. You probably know this one.
Gracias.
Goodbye. See you later.
Adiós.
Please, super useful.
Por favor.
I am hungry. Very important in Spain.
Tengo hambre.
Menu. Restaurant time.
Carta.
Breakfast. Let's eat.
Desayuno.
Evening meal. Dinner in Spain is late.
Cena.
How much? Shopping phrase.
¿Cuánto cuesta?
Card. Easy one.
Tarjeta.
Cash. Always useful.
Efectivo.
To wait. Patience.
Esperar.
Who? Question word time.
¿Quién?
Excuse me. Polite Spanish.
Perdón.
Can I pass using your manners?
Con permiso.
Mother. Family vocabulary.
Madre.
To buy. Shopping again.
Comprar.
Q. No one likes to wait.
Cola.
Good afternoon. Formal and friendly.
Buenas tardes.
Happy. Positive word.
Feliz.
Brother. Family continues.
Hermano.
When? Another question word.
¿Cuándo?
Today. Nice and simple.
Hoy.
Sunrise. Beautiful word.
Amanecer.
Luggage. Airport Spanish.
Equipaje.
To arrive. Travel time.
Llegar.
Ticket. Don't lose it.
Billete.
Good night. Bedtime Spanish.
Buenas noches.
I am thirsty. Hot weather phrase.
Tengo sed.
Water. Everybody knows this.
Agua.
Coffee with milk. Classic cafe order.
Café con leche.
Small beer. Holiday Spanish.
Caña.
Father. Family word.
Padre.
Rain. Weather time.
Lluvia.
Sister. Easy one.
Hermana.
To sit. Rest a little.
Sentarse.
Morning. Daily routine.
Mañana.
The bill. Restaurant panic.
Cuenta.
See you later. Casual goodbye.
Hasta luego.
Appointment. Useful phrase.
Cita.
Niece. Family again.
Sobrina.
Spring. Season vocabulary.
Primavera.
To get on. Transport phrase.
Subir.
I understand. Success.
Entiendo.
Fitting rooms. Shopping trip.
Probadores.
Birthday. Celebration time.
Cumpleaños.
Wind. Weather word.
Viento.
Fear. Emotional vocabulary.
Miedo.
Healthy. Good lifestyle.
Sano.
Interview. Job Spanish.
Entrevista.
Grandma. Lovely family word.
Abuela.
To work. Everyday verb.
Trabajar.
Pet. Cute vocabulary.
Mascota.
To sign. Paperwork time.
Firmar.
Where. Very important.
¿Dónde?
To shout. Loud Spanish.
Gritar.
Left. Directions time.
Izquierda.
To turn. Travel phrase.
Girar.
How? Useful question word.
Como.
For rent. House hunting.
Se alquila.
Are you okay? Caring phrase.
¿Estás bien?
Angry. Emotional word.
Enfadado.
I have pain. Important phrase.
Tengo dolor.
To fight. Dramatic word.
Pelear.
Tomorrow. Future time.
Mañana.
In front. A describing word.
Delante.
To rest. Relax.
Descansar.
Right. Another direction.
Derecha.
Early. Morning people.
Temprano.
Stop. Emergency Spanish.
Para.
For sale. Shopping phrase.
Se vende.
Neighbor. Everyday vocabulary.
Vecino.
Year. Time word.
Año.
On top. Position word.
Encima.
Death. Serious vocabulary.
Muerte.
To get off. Transport again.
Bajar.
To ride. Like this lady on her horse.
Montar.
Climate. Useful topic.
Clima.
Month. Calendar time.
Mes.
Address. Important information.
Dirección.
Sunset. Beautiful Spanish.
Atardecer.
Hour. Time vocabulary.
Hora.
The same. Common phrase.
Mismo.
Husband. Family word.
Marido.
Woman. Easy vocabulary.
Mujer.
A lie. Careful.
Mentira.
Yesterday. Past tense helper.
Ayer.
Last night. Story time.
Anoche.
Week, time vocabulary.
Semana.
To fold, useful verb.
Doblar.
Full, this glass is certainly full.
Lleno.
To wake up, morning routine.
Despertarse.
Place, super common word.
Lugar.
Empty, opposite time.
Vacío.
I like, very useful phrase.
Me gusta.
People, everyday Spanish.
Gente.
Yellow, color vocabulary.
Amarillo.
Slowly, like this snail.
Despacio.
Autumn. Last one. How did you do?
Otoño.